Changing your payout method on Canvas Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Canvas Credit Union website or mobile app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your profile icon. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Payout Methods. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the payout method you wish to change. You may have options like direct deposit check or electronic transfer. Enter the necessary information for your new payout method and save your changes. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating, review your changes to ensure everything is correct. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the update. Keep an eye on your account to verify that the new payout method is functioning as expected. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Canvas Credit Union. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.